Hi friends. Welcome to another informative video on cornea and contact lens. This video contains picture quiz related to contact lens complications and few corneal conditions. Identify the following corneal condition with corneal topography map. Options are: first option, post-LASIK. Second option, keratoconus. Third option, terrain marginal degeneration. The answer is option A, post-LASIK. In the map, we can identify corneal flattening due to LASIK surgery. Moving on to next question. What do you observe in the given picture? Options are: A, soft lens decentration. B, soft lens fluting. C, soft lens deposits. The correct answer is option B, soft lens fluting. This is the edge lift of the contact lens causing wrinkle or bubble at the edge of contact lens. Question 3. Identify the following. Options are: A, mucin balls. B, jelly bumps. C, glass pieces. The correct answer for this question is option B, jelly bumps. Jelly bumps are cholesterol and waxy deposits in the contact lens. Next question. Identify the following corneal condition. A, endothelial polymegathism. B, endothelial blebs. C, endothelial gatita. The correct answer is endothelial polymegathism. There is variation in endothelial cell size of cornea due to increase in lactate accumulation and increase in carbon dioxide concentration. Next question. Identify the condition. Options are: A, mucin balls. B, infiltrative keratitis. C, dimple veiling. The correct answer is dimple veiling. This condition occurs in RGP lenses where small bubbles formed under the lens causes dimples on the cornea. Identify the corneal condition based on the corneal topography. Options are: A, keratoconus. B, pellucid marginal degeneration. C, Terrien's marginal degeneration. The correct option for this question is option B, pellucid marginal degeneration. It is characterized by crescent-shaped inferior corneal thinning. Next question. Look at the picture and give me your diagnosis. Options are: A, corneal indentation. B, corneal delin. C, 3 and 9 o'clock staining. The correct answer is 3 and 9 o'clock staining, which is caused by horizontal drying of cornea and poor RGP lens fitting. Next question. Identify the refractive surgery done. Options are: A, post-radial keratotomy. B, post-penetrating keratoplasty. C, post-LASIK. The answer is option A, post-radial keratotomy. Let's move to next one. Identify the contact lens fit. The correct answer is option B, flat fit. 10th question. What's your diagnosis? Options are: A, corneal wrinkling. B, endothelial folds. C, corneal edema. The correct option is option A, corneal wrinkling. Next slide. Identify the condition. Options are: A, contact lens-induced peripheral ulcer. B, superior epithelial arcuate lesion. C, corneal abrasion. The correct answer is option B, superior epithelial arcuate lesion. Identify the fit given. Options are: A, soft lens fit. B, RGP fit. C, piggyback fit. The correct answer is option C, piggyback fit. You can observe both soft lens and RGP lens fitted on the eye which is called piggyback fit. Next question. An aphakic man wearing contact lens of +12 diopter sphere wants a glass prescription. What is his spectacle prescription? Assuming his vertex distance is 10 mm. The explanation for this question is based on far point. Calculating of some far point of eye with vertex distance provides the answer. Identify the type of lens. Options are A. RGP lens, B. Rose K lens, C. Ortho K lens. This is specialized kind of lens which helps in myopia control. This lens is usually worn at night during sleep. It flattens the corneal curvature and provides clear vision without the need of glass or contact lenses during the day. Next question. The risk of developing microbial keratitis is greatest with which of the following wearing options? A. Extended wear soft lenses, B. Extended wear RGP lenses, C. Daily wear soft lenses. Answer for this question is extended wear soft lenses. We'll move on to next question on fitting of contact lenses. A soft lens wearing patient complains of vision fluctuation between blinks and vision clears after the blink. What does this indicate? Options are A. Fit is too steep, B. Fit is flat, C. Contact lens power is wrongly prescribed. If vision clears after blink, it indicates that fit is steep. If vision blurs with the blink, it indicates the fit is flat. Wrong prescription doesn't have visual changes with respect to blink. Next question. What is minimum acceptable oxygen transmission of a daily wear lens is? The options are A in 12, B 24, C 48. Answer is option B 24. Let us see the next question. Acanthamoeba keratitis in contact lens wearers is primarily associated with? Options are A. Poorly fitting soft lenses that cause hypoxia, B. Rinsing RGP lenses with tap water, C. Exposure of soft lenses to fresh water sources. The answer is exposure of soft lenses to fresh water sources. Chronic corneal hypoxia, secondary to contact lens wear, is known to cause the following conditions except. Options are A. Neovascularization, B. Microcysts, C. Increased corneal sensitivity. The incorrect option is C. Increased corneal sensitivity. Corneal hypoxia usually causes reduced corneal sensitivity. Last question. A patient's K reading is 43.5 diopter. A. RGP lens of 43 diopter base curve and power of -3 spherical is placed on the eye. If the patient's spectacle refraction is to diopter, what over-refraction value would you expect with this lens in place? The 43 diopter base curve lens on the 43.5 diopter cornea would yield a 0.5 diopter tear lens. So the total power on the eye is 3.5 due to the 3 diopter lens. If the patient's refraction is 2, then we have 1.5 diopter excess power on the eye, yielding an expected plus 1.50 neutralizing over refraction. Hope you liked the video. For more optometry related videos, like and subscribe to my channel.